And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Checking in on things in the weather department now, and meteorologist Andrew Salmon. Another cool one to start off this morning, Andrew.
Yeah, Judd, I'd say things are looking pretty good right now with the weather department as we see lots of sunshine for us today and low humidity. Let's take a check of the temperatures right now. Maybe you're about to head out to lunch. Here's what it looks like. It's 82 right now in Tyler. That's actually one of the warmer spots right now. 79 if you're heading out the door right now in Longview, and Nacogdoches 79 as well. 80 degrees in Lufkin, and Crockett is coming in at 81. Dew points right now are sitting out in the 50s, indicating that the air is pretty comfortable out there. You will certainly notice that as you step out the door, although it is starting to warm up quickly with the sun now out and about there. Taking a look at high temperatures for this afternoon, we'll climb into the upper 80s with a few low 90s on the board out there. So it's going to be a little bit warmer than what we saw yesterday, not by a whole lot, but this is really the trend we're going to see over these next couple of days, which we'll see here in just a bit. A southeast wind today expected at around 10 miles per hour or so. Now here's your 7-day temperature trend. The normal high right now is 90 degrees, and we are going to be around that for the next couple of days, but we'll slowly start to increase heading into the weekend and into next week. This, as an upper level area of high pressure, has become centered over the southern plains here, and that's going to keep some hotter conditions in the forecast heading into next week. It isn't out of the question by Tuesday and Wednesday. We could see some places have highs in the upper 90s, so summer is not going away just yet, even though we've had that nice taste of fall for the past couple of days here. To the tropics now, another reminder that it is still a summer and things can still be active. We have Tropical Depression 7, which is developed over in this area in the central Atlantic Ocean. Here's the start of the Caribbean islands. Here's Puerto Rico. Here's Dominican Republic and Haiti right next door. 35 miles per hour. 35 mile per hour winds right now with this tropical depression. It is expected to become a tropical storm, and if so, it will be named Fiona as it makes its way further to the west and eventually move towards the Caribbean islands. So Puerto Rico is likely to see some impacts. Hispaniola likely to see some impacts as well, but that island, which includes the Dominican Republic and Haiti, is very mountainous, and that tends to kind of tear apart any of these storms that move on through. So just something to watch for now. As you can tell, the general trend is to maybe perhaps move into the Gulf, but a couple of things can happen. This may start to curve out to sea before it makes it there, or like I just mentioned, it could also fade away as it goes over the mountainous terrain of the Dominican Republic. So just something to keep an eye on for now. Temperatures this afternoon will climb into the lower 90s. We'll see mostly sunny skies out there with a southeast wind at around 10 miles per hour. For tonight, we'll drop down to the lower 60s. We'll see mostly clear skies through the overnight hours with winds out of the southeast at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. We're going to see the heat on the rise for the next couple of days here, and we'll start to notice it becoming a little bit more humid as well as we head into the end of the weekend and into the next work week as temperatures continue to warm. For deep East Texas, it is more of the same. We're going to see a chance of a pop-up shower or storm, though, on Friday and Saturday. Otherwise, look for increasing temperatures and increasing humidity heading into the weekend.